Hi guys, happy Monday. I hope you had a good weekend. Okay, today's assignment is pretty simple. We are only doing the anchor chart for math, and then I want you to do 10 minutes of Dreambox today. So you need to find your anchor chart in your clump of papers and fill it in. It should look like the one that you see on my screen. It says how to solve for missing sides. Okay, so last week we talked about perimeter. And remember, perimeter is the area around the outside of the shape. Okay, that's perimeter. All right, so today we're going to talk about if you have a side that is unknown or missing, how can we figure it out? Okay, so in this, it says number 1, examine the figure and determine what side is missing. So we have one that is 10. The opposite side is also 10. Okay, the top is 18 and the bottom is unknown. They do tell you the total perimeter of the shape, which is 45. So what they're wanting us to solve is what is the missing side. So number 2 says, take the given perimeter and either add up all the sides and subtract from the given perimeter, or subtract each known side length from the given perimeter. Okay, so I can either add 10 plus 18, which would be 28, plus 10 more would be 38, and then I take all of those sides, which would be 38, and I take them away from 45. So 45 take away 38 equals what? The missing side. Okay? Or I could do it a different way. I could do 45, take away 10. That gets you to 35. Take away 10 more. That gets you to what? Then you take away 18 more. And that gets you to what? That should give you your missing side. Okay? So if we scroll down, okay, you can do option A, 10 plus 10 plus 18 equals 38. 45 take away 38 equals 7. Or you could have done option B. 45 take away 18 equals 27. 27 take away 10 equals 17. 17 take away 10 equals 7. Either way, as I was doing this, if I were you guys, I would cross off the side as I use them, so I don't accidentally use one of them more than one time. Okay, but our unknown side was 7, and notice that they labeled it inches. That's important. Okay, and then at the bottom it says missing a side and perimeter. All right, so number 1, examine the figure and determine what side is missing. So they've already given you the answer here, but you're missing this side right here. Okay, and then you are also had to break it. Okay, this side was 10 and they broke it. Well, if this part right here is 5, then this part right here is 5, so this is 5. So for number 2, it says determine where you can cut or split the figure to make the rectangle or square that allows you to determine missing sides. So that's what they did here. They cut it. Okay, and so they figure, well, this part is 5 because over here this is 5 and these are parallel. These two lines are parallel. They don't run into each other. And so then this bottom, if the top is 5, then the bottom has to also be 5, which means that its parallel piece would also have to be 5. Okay? Because we don't have the total perimeter on this equation to be able to do it like option A or option B like we did at the top. Okay? So that is all you're doing today. Okay, let me look. Tomorrow your assignment is to take your anchor chart and use it to help you solve for these. Oh, they misnumbered. They always misnumber. Okay, so tomorrow for Tuesday, your assignment is to do 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? So if you want to do it today, you can work ahead. If you want to do it tomorrow, you can do it tomorrow. Okay, that's Tuesday's assignment going off of what you've learned today. Okay, so again, glue this into your math journal or keep it in a folder. Don't lose it. This is something you're going to want to keep because you are going to have a quiz over perimeter, and this is something that you could look back on and use to help. Okay? All right. Let me look. For reading today, assuming that everything went as planned last week, your guys' assignment is to read chapter 5 in Shiloh, and that should be all that you need to do today. Okay, so get on Dreambox and do your time on Dreambox, and you're done for the day. Hope you guys have a good one. Miss you. Bye.